Ever wondered how brands manage to catch your attention on social media platforms? The secret lies in the power of social media marketing. It's an art and science where brands strategically connect with you, their target audience. That's right, the posts you like, share, and comment on are carefully crafted by social media marketers. Now that you know what social media marketing is, have you considered making it your career? It's an exciting field with a wide variety of opportunities. You could become a social media strategist, designing and implementing marketing plans that engage audiences and boost brand awareness. Or perhaps you're more inclined towards creativity, in which case a role as a content creator might be more up your alley, crafting compelling posts that captivate and engage followers. Also, the role of a social media manager, overseeing all aspects of a company's social media strategy, from content creation to audience engagement. These are just a few examples of the many career paths available in social media marketing. The demand for skilled professionals in this sector is high, and it's only going to grow as more businesses recognize the power of social media. The potential for growth and advancement is truly significant. As you can see, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for you in the world of social media marketing. If you're intrigued by these opportunities, there's a way to equip yourself with the necessary skills. CAD Nest's social media marketing course offers a comprehensive guide to mastering the digital landscape with practical tools and industry insights. Time to take the leap and navigate your way to a promising career in social media marketing with CAD Nest.